Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a 2-ingredient flatbread. Red lentils and water are the 2 ingredients that I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to mix this up into my bullet, and then we're going to get a closer look over here at the stove, and I will show you how they all come together. So we start with 1 cup of red lentils and 2 cups of water. You just mix the 2 together, you let them soak for 3 hours. It's very important that they soak for 3 hours. That way they get nice and soft and they're gonna blend up super smooth and creamy. And they're gonna increase in size by quite a bit. So I'm gonna put these in my bullet. And you may be wondering, am I going to rinse these? Nope, you're gonna use that water. It's all gonna go into your NutriBullet. I am gonna add a little bit of salt, but I usually leave it relatively plain, but you could add onion powder, garlic powder, you could add a clove of garlic in here, and it would be fine. So I'm going to just put the lid on here and blend till smooth. So you're gonna want it kind of like a pancake kind of a batter. So let's go over to the stove and we'll cook these up. You want to use a really good nonstick pan because we're not going to put any oil in this pan. Now let's make sure the pan is hot enough. I think that's going to work. So what I do is I just pour it in the pan like that. And I just kind of spread it out this way. And you're gonna let it cook for about a minute on this side. And this is gonna be just like when you make pancakes. The first one usually doesn't come out that great, but after that, it's perfect. So we're gonna let this cook for 1 minute and then we're gonna flip it. So what I do is I just kind of go around the edges here. Then we will flip. And then you're going to cook it for about 30 seconds on this side. So this one's done. We're just going to put it on a little cooling rack over here. And let's do 1 more. Okay, let's flip this one. Woo! And we'll cook this one for 30 seconds on this side. So I'm just going to continue cooking the rest of these and then I'll talk a little bit more about it. And here we have a plate of our red lentil flatbreads. Super easy to make, great gluten-free alternative. I love it because I have celiac, so this is perfect for me, and you can use them in so many ways. You can use them sweet or savory. You could put peanut butter and jam on there. You could put hummus. You could use it as a wrap. And what I love is, let me show you, they're super pliable. They're not really fragile, so you can roll them up, and they freeze great. So I hope you give these a try. They're good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like my t-shirt, go to my Etsy store where you can pick up one for yourself. Until next time, thank you.